In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a weekly staff schedule for your staff. I have 7 days here starting on a Sunday, and I have the number of peoples that are working days. I have the number of peoples that are working evenings, and I have the 4 people that are working on the weekend. Also on the sheet, if you notice, I have total these hours for these shifts. On a normal work week, you would be working 40 hours if you were working days. And since it's 6 hours for the evening, on a normal week, you would be working 30 hours if you're evenings. And if you're working on the weekdays, times would be 8 hours times 2 days, so that's 16 hours for the weekend. Now you have done all the formatting and you've decided this is how your schedule should look. So now we're going to go to our developer tab and we're going to go to macros and we're going to run schedule every week, and we're going to run this. I have on this one only created it for 10 weeks just because I don't want to waste your time generating 52 weeks, but it could be done very easily. So there you see that now we have 10 weeks, all 7 days apart, generated, all starting on a Sunday. And they're generated for all the weeks that you specify. So once you've generated these, you can go to a certain week. For example, let's go to March 12th. And let's say that employee 4 would like to go on vacation. So I'm going to click in this cell and I'm going to type vacation. And then I'm going to drag it across for 3 days. And now you can see that the total of his hours have been recalculated here. So now let's look at the code. So here's my code. I've declared some values. Here I've declared next date and start date as date, count as long, and days as integers. I have set days equals 7 because I want 7 days between each of my schedules. Sheet 1 A1 is our starting date. The next line we are specifying the number format, and we are assigning sdate equals worksheet sheet 1 range A1 value as the start date. The next date is calculated by adding start date to plus the days, and that will get your next week. We are setting our count at 0. We are doing a do loop. Here I have specified do is less than 10. This is where you could change it to 52 weeks for the year. Now that I'm going to do is I'm going to copy every sheet that we have formatted and copy it to the end of the worksheets that I have in my workbook. With the active sheet A1 number format, I'm specifying the day and the month. And I'm saying the active sheet range A1 value equals the next date that we've calculated. I've specified the column width for each of the columns so that they stay the same on every sheet. It's easier than copying the format. And I'm changing the active sheet name to the start date of the week that we are having in each of these pages. We will continue through this loop until we reach the number. I will, of course, include the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.